Alright, here I am with the answer key to the new and improved practice test. So if this is the only version you've seen, you're good, but if you downloaded the one slightly earlier today on Thursday, you'll see that I've added a fifth triangle here. What we're doing is we're just counting up total number of triangles. There's only one smaller one. I'm rewriting this just to make it be a little bit easier for me to put this in with more room. One total triangle here. Here there's 1, 2, 3, 4 with a total of a tour being 1. 4 plus 1 right there is 5. Here, counting the little ones, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 smaller ones. 3 then that are like this, that are the tour size. 3 like that. And then 1 that's the larger one. So 3 plus 1 plus 9 is 13. So that's 13 there. And then here, if you count the little ones, there's 16. If you count the tours, there's 1, there's 2, there's 3, then 4 and 5 and 6 of those. And then there's 3 of these larger ones, like that. And then there's 1 of the 4. So that adds up to 26. And then you can count these little ones. I'll give it away that the total is 45. See if you can do that properly. And you've then got this number pattern going 1, I'll move this up, sorry if you can't see it, 1, 5, 13, 26, 45. And then that's where I pick up the pattern where if you do your caret numbers, don't forget your carets, it's going 4, 8, 13, 19. If you don't see a pattern there, do another row of carets. And here I see the pattern is going 4, 5, 6. If you want to do another row of carets, you're just going to get ones, but by that time usually you've seen how those numbers are progressing. So then I just take 7, that's my first new number, to 19 to get 26, 26 to 45 to get 71, and then I just keep this pattern going. It's going to be then 9. Well, first I'll do 8 plus 26 is 34, plus 71 is 105, and then I do 9 plus 34 is 43, plus 105 is 148, okay? So that's that caret number, this caret number here is going to be 10, that's easy, that's 53. 53 plus 148 is 201, that's what I thought was the final answer on the first answer key, but really I have to add 11 to get 64, and add that to get 265. That is my final best answer for the 10th triangle, alright? If I could do this 10 times, there'd be a total of 265 possible triangles. Alright, so for this one now, I have got blocks that I'm going to stack, and the blocks are 2 by 3 by 7 inches to reach a height of 30 inches. Alright, so in order to make this work, I'm going to say, well, here if I have a 2 block and a 3 block and a 7 block, alright, I'm going to just make my chart go this way. This is all about systematic lists, alright? And so these are my dimensions of my block. I know that they're going to total up to be 30. So starting at the extreme of using only the blocks lying in their flattest possible dimension, I could have 15 of those 2-inch blocks stacked flat, right? And then I could have 0 and 0 of my 3 blocks stacked by 3s and by 7s. So that's one category where I'm using only the smallest ones. Now I have to go up a notch, and so that would be using 1 3er. Well, if I'm not going to use any 7s, there's no way I can use just 3s and 2s, because just 1 3 block, because that's an odd number, and I can't stack even numbers to be an odd. So I have to go by 2. Alright? If I have 2 3-inch blocks, that's 6 inches, taken away from 30, that's 24 inches, so I would then have 12. Alright, and hopefully now you see that there's kind of a pattern that you will get going. This is all about spotting patterns. That I cannot add a single 3-inch block. They have to go by 2s, so 4 and 6 and 8 and 10. And every time I add 2 3-inch blocks, I have to take away 3 2-inch blocks. So take away 3, I go to 9. Take away 3, I go to 6. Every once in a while I'll just check to make sure. That's going to be 18 plus 12 makes 30 inches. Alright, and then I take away 3 and I go to 3, and take away 3 and I go to 0, and these are all going to be zeros, of course. and that makes sense that 10 3-inch blocks will give me 30. Okay, so that's kind of another divide there. Well, if I go and put one 7-inch block, I then can add one 3-inch block. That makes 10, and that would allow me to have 10 2-inch blocks. So 10 plus 20 inches is 30 inches. These are all going to be 30s. I'm just going to save time writing it and give myself some more spaces here. And then again, just look for the pattern. I can go up by 2. So it can be 1 and 3. Going up by 2 means I go down by 3 and I'm at 7. Go up by 2, that's 5. Go down by 3, that's 4. Go up by 2, that's 7. Go down by 3, that's 1. Now if I keep this at 1 and go to 9, I can't get -1 blocks there. So I'm done with my 1 7-inch block. So now I do a 2 7-inch block. That's 14 inches. Okay? Well, I can't have 1 3-incher again because that's an even number. I need there to be 2. So that's 14 plus 6 is 20. So that would be 5 of my 2-inch blocks. Then it would be 2, and I go up again by 2, and I go down by 3. That's 2. And again, I'm stuck because I can't go down by 3 again. So now I go up to 3 7-inch blocks. 3 times 7 is 21 inches. I can have 1 3-inch. 21 plus 3 is 24 inches. And then I have 3 2-inch blocks. And then I have 3, and I go up by 2 and down by 3. Okay, that's 0. All right. I'm not done because I can do one more with 4 7-inch blocks. That's 28 inches, 0 and 1. I can't go up to 5 blocks. I'm done. I have exhausted systematically all of the possibilities. Now just count them up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. It is 15, but you'll notice on the first video, if you did that, that I counted one extra and I forgot one. So this is why 15 is the correct answer. All right? There you go. Second page coming up.